Industries. Manufacture of goods. You're familiar with the things you see in the image. We buy several such articles from the market and use them. But they are not available in nature. They have to be made or manufactured. We use various things from nature to make them. For example, we make a wooden bat or top from wood that is available only in nature. Important terms related to industries. The material from which an article is made is called raw material. After processing the raw material, we get finished products. While making a bat from wood, we have to make several changes in the wood. Here, wood is the raw material, and the bat is a finished product. We make several changes in the raw material when we make other articles too. Making finished products from raw material is called an industry. The place where this process is carried out is called a factory. Small-scale industry. For starting an industry, we need capital, raw material, labor, energy, water, land, transport facilities, and a market. Some industries can be set up in a small place. They can be run with less capital and a few workers. Such industries are called small-scale industries. The goods produced in these industries are sold in local markets. A bakery is a good example of a small-scale industry. Cottage industry. Some industries can be run at home. This is known as household or cottage industry. For example, making papad, pickles, candles, etc. Large-scale industry. Some goods are produced on a large scale. Such industries need raw material, capital, labor, and machinery on a large scale. These industries are called large-scale industries. Usually, they are set up and run in large areas, away from the towns. Production of textiles, metals, motor cars, sugar, and medicines are some of the examples of large-scale industries. Goods produced in these industries are sold within our country, as also in other countries. Advantages and disadvantages of industries. Because of industries, local people get jobs. When raw material is turned into finished products, as for example, cotton into cloth, its value increases. Some of the manufacturing processes in industries lead to water, air, and noise pollution. It can be reduced through measures such as planting trees and purifying the polluted water. Greater Mumbai. Some time ago, the city of Mumbai was famous all over the world for its textile industry. But for reasons like growing urbanization and the shortage of place for housing, the number of textile mills has fallen steadily. There are only a few mills now in Parel, Worli and Prabhadevi areas. As there are many industries in Greater Mumbai, people of the city as well as from its surroundings come here for work. People from the cities of Thane, Dombivli, Kalyan, Vasai, Virar and Navi Mumbai also come to Mumbai for their work and business. The production of films and TV programs is also carried on a large scale in Mumbai. There are many other medium and big industries here. There is an oil refinery at Mahul. There is a milk processing and chilling industry at Are Colony near Goregaon. Automobile spare parts are made in Kurla, while tractors are made in Kandivali. Soap and perfumed oil are produced at Sivri and Vikroli, while biscuits and cold beverages are produced in Vileparle. Papads, spices, pickles and footwear are also produced here. The cottage industry of making leather articles at Dharavi is famous.